Okay, so parts laid out here for issue 16 of the Valentino Rossi Moto GP bike. It says it's the instrument panel supports, quite nicely detailed parts. Yeah, you can see they've got screw heads and things on the side. Got an L and an R panel, so you've got one of each, obviously. As I say, nicely detailed, and some fake screws as well, screw heads. So yeah, it's going to be some nice detailing going on here, if it gets constructed on this one, but I think it does. This will be the assembly and build for issue 16. Okay, so we need the instrument support panel and the L and the R brackets, as it says. It says to kind of, yeah, you've got to identify the L and the R bracket. Left hand side, right hand side brackets. So, get that, and then, oh yeah, okay, yeah, it's got holes in the inside. It's got bigger holes and little holes and smaller holes on the inside. So it's just kind of matching them up, I guess, with those. So yeah, so I got the left hand one there. It's very difficult to see. The left hand one, and it kind of matches and mirrors the holes. And all you've got to do is push it through firmly, it says, I think it says, until the pins protrude on the other side. That's the left hand side one done, and then obviously mirror that with the right hand side one. Okay, so that's what that looks like when that's done, and as you can see, they're protruding out the side as pins, and it's flush on the inside. So now we need the instrument panel from issue 15 that we assembled, and then the bottom bracket, so that looks like that. It's all nicely carbon fibre effect. It does look nice. Okay. And it's identifying, okay, so that kind of just slots in between there, so it's got a hole, just kind of slots into there. Turned over, and with a type J screw, which was in this issue, it's going to be secured. There we go, so that's just going to hold that bracket in place. Okay, now we've got the two dummy screws that we're going to be fitting into. Try and work it out. So there's two holes there. See, there's two holes. One there and one there. And the dummy screws that we had given to us in this issue are just going to get fitted into there. It says do not use glue on these. It's just, you can use pliers, it says, to fit them in. And you're going quite hard. You're going quite well, but do not use glue, it says. I don't know why. Take them out later, possibly. And then it says you fit this, but it doesn't really show you how. The instrument next fits the instrument support to the back of the panel without gluing. So I don't know. Oh, okay, so there's two kind of interference fit parts there that are going to go into those receptors there. And on these sides as well, there is as well. So you just kind of push these in. Instrument panel support fitted, and that's what that looks like. Okay, so that was issue 16 done there, yep. instrument panel support fitted. That's the instrument panel. Issue 17 is liquid coolant radiator. So we're going to start constructing engine parts, if you like. Just going to be part for the radiator. You can start getting that built up. That'll be issue 17. That'll be coming up soon.